I want to share with you the fastest way to make her want you more sexually. And most men miss this. Why? Because what I'm going to share with you, typically the bad boy understands it. I want to show you what the bad guy is doing and that you can implement this as the good man that you actually are. I'm Arica Angelo. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So when a woman deeply desires a man, she obviously is going to want him more sexually. The goal for you is to build that desire in her. And one of the quickest ways you can do that is to stop turning her off. When a man is insecure, when he's unsure of himself, when he comes across as overly needy, all of these things tear down her desire. What does a bad guy do? He's confident, he trusts himself, he thinks of himself first. He moves and takes action based on what he wants, based on his desires. The bad guy, he does this from a selfish intention, but a good man can do this by choosing himself because he values himself, or, and for lack of better terms, he really loves himself. It's up to you to communicate that value to her. Why? When she perceives that you value herself, she innately is going to want to value you as well. And it becomes a huge turn on for us sexually. It's like Spiegel from Lord of the Rings, where she starts looking at you and going, "The precious, not the precious." She's gonna start looking at your cock that way. "The precious, not the precious." Back to the comment section, right? Not the precious. Just entertain my wild, quirky sense of humor, will ya? You start making yourself the prize. And a lot of men just frankly forget to see themselves this way, which is why the hell I am here, is to remind you guys and wake your ass up that you are highly desirable, but you gotta start acting like it. I created a whole program called the Desire Code to make men realize just how freaking sexy they are, again, because she needs to feel that sexual energy from you. So how that's gonna play out, how she's gonna see that you start valuing yourself more, is you're gonna start turning yourself on to start pursuing her more sexually, coming up from behind her, kissing on her neck, massaging her shoulders and saying, "You are so beautiful that if I don't take you right now, I'm gonna hate myself for it." And going, where on earth am I gonna find the balls to say that? That's like something from like the Notebook or something. No, you're gonna say that because you're gonna become that confident mother who starts doing what he wants, who starts following through on those impulses. The challenge is you've probably silenced those impulses, those urges. You've probably neutered yourself along the way for whatever reason, for society, from her, whatever. But I'm here to reverse that neutering and to get you back into your balls where you feel deeply desires and you pursue those desires with her body. When she feels that primal energy from you, that is going to turn her on. But most men get neutered from that because of society, whatever the hell, whatever movement comes out of society's ass to disempower men so that we can control the world better. Yeah, we don't want them controlling the world. We want you controlling your world and your household. So get that fire back in your balls and start moving forward with those primal desires. And that is going to turn her the F on. And that's just it. When men start playing it too safe with women and you start walking on eggshells around her, she sees you as a neutered man. It doesn't turn her on. She needs a man who's going to take risks, who's gonna grab her boob, who's gonna put her on a counter and fuck the shit out of her. That is what she is missing from her man. So get that desire code and start feeling good about yourself again, because that energy is what she needs from you. She needs to see it, she needs to feel it, she needs to hear it from you. And if you want to do something naughty, start asking her naughty sexual questions. I've got my 20 best sexual questions that you can ask a woman. It's in the comment section, it's in the description. Start turning up the heat in your bedroom again, because you are the leader of this experience. In fact, say it with me. I am the leader of the sexual experiences. Yes, you are. I want you to get back into that power because you're worth it. You're worthy to be made love to every mother freaking day. So let's get you back into the bedroom. Let's get you making love again. And let's get you feeling mother freaking confident about yourself all over again. And by the way, here's a video that YouTube thinks you should watch. I love you so much. Love your damn self. See you soon.